it's this battle. It's really famous in history, and this monument was actually created in 1910, so the 500th anniversary. And of course, in the time of the Second World War, it was crushed by the Nazis, rebuilt after the war, and it's still in here. And behind my back, we're gonna go there. There's a really interesting element of the right now. You can see him. The window is open. See him? Just as you can hear, it just stops kind of like in the middle. And obviously there's a legend about that, why it's like that. It's kind of sad legend actually. It's said that it stopped in the middle because this is how it goes when the Tatars attack the city. The arrow is supposed to go through the throat of the man who played the alarm, kill him, and this is why he never could finish his playing the trumpet. And this is why he stopped. Right now he's playing for the guests. So another most important